topic po heterotrophic nutrition heterotrophs ka the organism ka we khora food khora prepare majwa khoyang chi ka depend lusna te una heterotrophs zera no then heterotrophic nutrition bo type sumit kya saprophytic parasitic holozoic saprophytic na te organisms ka we khoi food po khetana that nang decaying organic matter gune kene nenet na te unlanga ta saprophytes zera no ka na example bacteria no fungi ono tenna chokla parasitic ka we khoi food po host kene host po sat masada te we kene food derive chuna te wala parasitic zera no example tapeworm ticks lice kunyono holozoic nutrition na te ono kawe solid food intake chat tene te vena ngatang un example na yo ono tene animals kunyono yang insectivorous plants kunayono ta different ways na khone food po intake churuk te tenna chusla khone digestive system ba tene different kya organism gunena jaise ki ngata unicellular organism jignena like amoeba na paramecium gun unicellular organism no khone na khoi body amoeba body ko shiduk irregular body ka single cell eduk kya cell chichi eduk kya tene te vena irregular structures gun langata finger like projections gun langata pseudopodia zeta no pseudopodia we chicho no food particle bu khetana nangku enena no pseudopodia through food po nangku enena vacuole jik form chano vacuole nangku tene food po complex food po khetana simpler ones na breakdown chostana tene khoi cytoplasm na diffuse chano tene te we kene tene yang waste produce chakam bu cell surface ka yongstana tene te cell surface through khoi philo excrete chano tena chokla paramecium gune case na khoi paramecium gune na case na khoi body ka chokla hair like structure throughout the body khoi ka hair like structure ma po kya kawa cilia zera no cilia we through tene khoi food po body nang ko intake chano